unboxing. Well, I should say I am here with a mini unboxing video. Mini, small unboxing video. So I actually ordered this earrings. Actually, it's for both girls and boys, and I like the earring. It can be used as a piercing and for non-piercing earring. So that is small. It's yellow chimes. Yellow chimes. So its price is $9.96 as it's written in here. But I actually think I got it for 200 or something. I'll link the product in the description box below. I purchased it from Amazon. Maybe that's why I got it for cheap. So now let me wear it on to see if it looks amazing on me. Should it? Okay, anyway, let's begin.
5 hours later. 75 years later. 1 eternity later.
So I'm gonna wear these. It's for boys and girls, so anyone can use this. You don't have to have a piercing in your ear to wear this. This looks good. You can wear this on one ear or both ears. It will look good on both. So let me wear this and come back. Just a second. So guys, I just looked into the mirror. I look amazing. Guys, I strongly recommend you to buy. So it looks really amazing. As you can see, it's really good. And I recommend you to purchase it. And it's really not that costly. So just need to have a little bit of money in your hand. It really is good. So it looks really good on me. As you guys can see, if you are wearing the earring on one ear, it looks totally amazing. So then why? Hasta la vista! Subscribe!